For the deeds he performed on the diamond, Babe Ruth has deservedly earned his place in baseball's Hall of Fame and endeared himself in the heart of every American for generations to come. His name will live as long as there is a ball, a bat, and a ball.